Welcome to OBD-Sync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going through how to enable the oil temperature sensor output in a Holden VE engine computer. So we're going to go first, hit the vehicle button, go to the engine computer tile. This will then load up the available options we have for the engine computer. Go to the flashing tab along the top and then onto the configure rules options. You can see here we have a drop down. We can then change it to enabled. Then we can go ahead and click right. We'll have a pop-up that indicates it's going to be putting in a factory tune plus our modifications. Make sure you do have a battery maintainer fitted as I've highlighted there. And once you're ready to go, we're going to go ahead and press OK. This will then begin downloading the required files to suit this vehicle and this engine computer and this engine setup. And then finally it will begin the flashing sequence and then start flashing in the required files. I'm just going to go fast forward through this little section here. Usually it takes about 30-45 seconds to complete for the calibration only write. Once it's done, it will indicate that it's finalizing the flash routine. And then finally, we'll have a pop-up indicating that it is completed successfully. We can go ahead, press OK, and that's all done. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.